Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the eel on the board and controlling the head end. This stabilizes a slippery fish. Make a clean diagonal cut behind the head, then run the knife along the backbone to open the belly. This exposes the rib and pin bones. Use a thin, flexible fillet knife and small, confident strokes so you slice muscle, not bones. The goal is to separate flesh from the central spine quickly, which preserves texture and makes the next steps easier. Once done with the initial split, flip the fillet skin side down and expose the line of pin bones. This orientation gives you leverage. Slide the knife tip gently under the base of each pin bone to loosen it. Don't cut through the flesh, just free the attachment. Then, with clean tweezers or needle nose pliers, grip each bone close to the flesh and pull in the direction of growth to avoid tearing. Make systematic passes from head toward tail so you don't miss any small bones. You finish by feeling along the fillet with your fingertips to find any residual bones. Visual checks miss thin cartilage. Trim ragged edges and remove any tiny fragments with tweezers. A narrow reslice parallel to the removed bones helps when a pull tears a tiny piece out of the flesh. If a bone breaks and remains, rotate the fillet and approach from the opposite side with the knife tip to free it. Once clean, rinse lightly and pat dry before cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.